In this quick video, we will learn how to create the new Mini You Instagram story trend, where you can use the Instagram story sticker to add a photo of yourself when you were little. This is a fun little trend, and let's learn how to create this and share it with our friends or family members. The first step is to open your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. After this step, we can open our app and then search for an Instagram profile that's called Add Yours Stickers. And make sure that you select the profile that says Add Your Stickers by Estrada. When we open the profile, scroll until you can find the Instagram story highlight that's called AYST1. There are a lot of different stickers in here, but just go through these stories until you see the Mini You text. In order to create our own story, tap on the Add Yours, and this will open our Instagram camera. The next step is to upload our photo from when we were little, and we can then share this with our friends or family members. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.